Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by cancer-fighting biotech company Chimeric Therapeutics, ASX code CHM. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Executive Chairman of Chimeric Therapeutics, Paul Hopper. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Matt. Thank you for having me.
Okay, unlike other biotechs who are attempting to delay the progression of cancer, Chimeric is actually trying to cure cancer with its suite of cell therapy biotechnologies that it has put together under one roof in a series of deals with the inventors of each therapy, some of which I might add are respected universities. The company has been clinically testing its technologies in US hospitals and, I might say, with some success. Okay, Paul, whenever I read your stuff, I've got to say I'm overwhelmed by the number of almost illegible scientific terms. How can we distill down what Chimeric does? What exactly is cell therapy?
I think the easiest way to think about it is it's a 21st century blood transfusion. So we take the blood out of a cancer patient and we extract the T cells, which are a main part of the immune system, and we reprogram them so that they become guided missiles, and then we give the cells back to the patients and the T cells go in search of cancer to kill them.
Okay, you recently completed a second dose trial of your CHM.AX CAR T therapy in the US. What cancers does that therapy target? What were you trying to achieve with that trial, and what were your learnings?
Yes, so we are targeting brain cancer, which is one of the deadliest cancers and the most aggressive. We're running a phase 1 clinical trial. The main purpose of the phase 1 clinical trial is to test if the drug you give the patient in very low doses is safe. So safety is the primary thing, but most people also take a peek at the same time to see if there's any activity. So we were pleased with that because we had what we call stability of disease. That is, the tumours didn't grow at the normal rate if they'd not received the drug that we gave them. So safety and stability came out of it. We were pretty happy with that.
I was fascinated to see that drug is based on the toxin from a scorpion, which is a whole nother conversation. We don't have time to go there now. I do want to get to your research partnership that you've just coined with the University of Pennsylvania in relation to your CHM-2101 cell therapy. What cancers does that platform target, and what will that research partnership entail?
Yes, so look, UPenn, as it's known, is one of the premier cell therapy CAR T institutions in the world. They essentially discovered CAR T and cell therapy. What the R&D agreement gives us is access to the laboratory of the inventor and the resources. That's a huge advantage. It means we don't have to build out or hire people to do that work. So we're pretty excited about it. It's a very promising collaboration.
Paul Hopper from Chimeric Therapeutics, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.